Welcome back, viewers. This is the Wandering Jew, Tradescantia Zebrina, and today I am going to show you how to grow cuttings. You can see the cuttings are removed very easily, and if you want to get a rooted cutting, you can find one with the ground. You can see this branch have developed roots because it was touching the ground, and this cutting will grow 100%. And you can see there are roots with the branches which are touching the ground, so it is very easily grown from cuttings. These are the cuttings, and before planting your cuttings, remove the lower leaves. You can see at least 2 to 3 nodes should be inside the medium, and you can see this is the rooted cutting. Now I am going to show you the growing of cutting in two mediums. One is the coco peat and the other is the this sand soil. So let's plant the cuttings in coco peat first. Just bury the cutting 2 to 3 inch deep. There should be at least one node area inside the medium, and you can see there is a root, so I am burying it more. You don't need any rooting hormone for this because these cuttings are grown very easily. Now I am planting some cuttings in the sand soil. This is well draining soil, and after planting I will place my cuttings in the shaded area. You can see this is the rooted cutting, and just plant such cuttings like this. So these are our cuttings. Wait for the result. So viewers, this is the result after 1 month. You can see the roots have developed very well, and you can see all the cuttings are growing, and the cuttings in the sand are also growing well. I am going to put them back, and I am going to grow them more in the same pot. If you like the video, like and share, and also let me know about your thoughts in the comment section. Happy gardening.